Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add GST identification number to your Google Ads account. Log into your Google Ads account. Click on Settings and Billing icon. Now under Billing section, click on Settings. Scroll down. Click the pencil icon next to India Tax Info. Select your tax status. Click on Add a GST identification number. Copy and paste the GST identification number. Click Add. Scroll down and click Save. That's it. GST identification number has been added to your Google Ads account. This is how you can add your GST identification number to your Google Ads account. Thank you for watching.